This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. On the gold market, we said that previously the price action was really tricky because market has formed the contradictory patterns. Here was, for example, the bearish stock grabbers that in fact had the target around this low, and this pattern usually assume the taking out of the previous lows. And conversely, the price action here suggested that market should continue move higher because trend has shifted bearish, but price action absolutely hasn't supported this trend and continue move higher and higher and creeping to the upside. And as we have discussed on Friday, we said that the price action after this ABCD pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart, this consolidation and this turn to the upside looks absolutely unlogical. And that's why we said that we would probably bet on the upward action, although we haven't called you to take the position, mostly due to the nervousness on the market and some indecision. And as you can see, market now has clarified a bit the overall situation and taken out of these highs. That is what had been suggested by the bullish dynamic pressure. Now the major question is what will happen next. So market now stands inside of this confidence resistance. It's 1278, 1293 daily confidence resistance. And take a look, market also has hit the double pivot resistance one. That is the weekly pivot point, weekly pivot resistance one and monthly. So this is really significant resistance area. That's why if market will fail here and will show the washing rings of these highs and turn to the downside again, especially if it will turn significantly lower, moves below the weekly pivot point, that could become the sign of the possible deep retracement. And that is absolutely stands in a row with the character of the gold market. Gold market likes some unexpected turning on the market, unexpected moves. So that's why I absolutely can't exclude that this could happen. That's why today I offer you to focus on the short-term trade, on the scalp setup, Napoli trade. If you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, we'll see that this thrust up is generally acceptable for Napoli patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bars to the upside, no significant retracements, no crossing of this green line, that is the 3x3 moving average. And market stands now in the progress with this A, B, C bottom pattern. So market has hit 1618 right here on the non-farm payrolls release, retracement down. Now it has moved above this target. It means that the next destination point is 1290 areas, 1618 extension. Meantime, as market stands at the significant resistance, it could show the retracement down. As we know that gold market likes to retest the previous extreme points. Here you can see again the another top stance. And that's why I can't exclude that market could show some retracement right to the 1275 pip support, and that could give us the bread and butter buy setup. So that is an area to watch for buy opportunity. The minimum target will be the 618 resistance of the whole backward move. So if market will show retracement right here and reestablish move to the upside, the minimum target will be the 618 resistance of this move. This is not really impressive action, but still this is not small action at the same time. So that could be the not bad trade on the 4-hour time frame chart. But guys, as market hasn't quite hit the 1618 extension, I can't exclude that probably market could continue slightly higher and hit this level as well. In this case, you could manage your position. For instance, if you will get the long here, you could take the half of the profit right at the minimum target and remain the second half trying to ride right to this area. Okay, or you could protect it by just the break-even stop loss order and just watch what will happen. That's also the solution. That's why this is a bit greater potential with this trade. But first we need to get the retracement down and to see how market will behave around 1275 area. That's the setup on the gold market that we could use and you could trade. And this is much more clearer setup that we had on the previous week. Since on the previous week we could see that was really the choppy price actions where it's not of course doom and gloom, but in general it's not very attractive and really nervousness on the market. It's very huge volatility and no clear patterns have been formed there. But right now we have not bad for us. That theoretically could be the foundation, the bias for Jordan upward direction trade. So let's see what will happen and keep an eye on this possibility.